Hey everyone, it's Matt here. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I'm trying to make a modular version of the Boss DS-1 distortion pedal. And so far, in the last video, we've copied the schematic into KiCad so that we can have a play around with it. And now we're going to try to figure out how we're going to power it from 12 volts. So what we've got here is a voltage divider circuit. So we can take our 12 volt input and divide it down to the necessary 9 volts to power the circuit. So in order to calculate the resistors that we'll need for our voltage divider, I like to use this little website called mustcalculate.com. They've got a really cool voltage divider calculator here. So you put your input voltage, your output voltage, and then it will give you a whole heap of options. You can choose the one that most closely matches the resistors that you have on hand, and it tells you how accurate that's going to be. And the accuracy we're talking about here is in the thousandths of volts, so it's not really going to make that much of a difference compared to the accuracy, the 1% accuracy of the resistor values anyway. So the ones I've chosen from here, I'm going to use a 1K and a 3K resistor in series to be able to take 9 volts, and then that's further divided down by these two 10K resistors to 4.5 volts. There's some other stuff in here for circuit protection, like there's a diode here to prevent charge from flowing in the wrong way and damaging any of our components, and then we've got a 100 UF and a 47 UF capacitor here just for some signal filtering. They filter out some of those inaudible sub-frequencies that might be present from the power supply. Now that we've designed a suitable power supply, we can take that and the rest of the circuit and try to build it on a breadboard.